Discomfort. Unfortunately, it's something many of us deal with. And sometimes discomfort can make you feel like you aren't living your life to the fullest. You get tired when you're playing with the kids. Sometimes it's hard when you go out on the town with your friends, and occasionally you're limited during your favorite physical activities. Not to mention, the solutions you get are often synthetic, which can be so limiting and frustrating. But at doTERRA, we believe in safe and natural solutions that manage your discomfort. Are you ready for relief? If you are, the Relief Wellness Program comes through for you. Each kit contains a set of products that have been carefully selected by doctors, scientists, and researchers who have decades of experience working with essential oils to provide natural relief to bodily discomfort. It's time to stop being held back from the activities and life you love. Say hello to the liberation and freedom of conquering the limitations and difficulties of discomfort naturally. When you start your journey with the Relief Wellness Program, each month for 3 months, you'll receive a special kit filled with all the products you need to help soothe and support you. Ready to dive into your first relief kit? These products deliver targeted comfort and relief so you can give your muscles and joints support as you push yourself to grow stronger and healthier. You'll get Deep Blue Soothing Blend, Deep Blue Rub Samples, Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex, the Aroma Touch Massage Blend, and a massage ball, all in a reusable bag. By your second month, you'll have noticed some differences in your life from using natural products every day. Kit 2 will build on those benefits you've experienced already and take things to the next level. You'll get a full tube of Deep Blue Rub, Copaiba Soft Gels, Wintergreen, plus a refillable Deep Blue tube. The final kit of the Relief Wellness Program builds on the benefits you experienced over the previous months. It includes a bottle of Deep Blue Soothing Blend, turmeric dual chamber capsules, past tense tension blend, fractionated coconut oil, and a set of 3 10-milliliter roller bottles so you can make your own roller bottle oils and blends. There are so many ways to use these products. Whether you take these internally, apply them on the outside of your body, or put them to work around your home, countless benefits come from using natural products daily. Just like most things in life, consistency is key, and using your products daily is the most effective way to maximize your benefits. Say goodbye to the discomfort holding you back and sign up for the Relief Wellness Program. It's easy. All you have to do is use your products and start enjoying safe, natural relief.